Most people get this wrong when they switch CRMs. They assume the new software must be better. But here's the truth no one tells you. A CRM switch isn't usually about finding a better platform. It's about finding a platform that's better aligned with your current business goals. That's exactly why I switched from HouseCall Pro to QuoteIQ. In this video, I'll explain what HouseCall Pro did well, why I started looking at alternatives, what attracted me to QuoteIQ, and the biggest lesson I learned during the transition. Let's get straight into it. First, I want to be fair to HouseCall Pro. It's one of the most popular CRM platforms in the home service industry for a reason. HouseCall Pro helps businesses manage scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, customer communication, online booking, and payments from a single system. When I first adopted it, it solved several important operational problems. Managing appointments became easier. Customer communication improved. Administrative work became more organized. For many service businesses, those benefits alone make HouseCall Pro a strong choice. But here's the problem. Eventually, my biggest challenge stopped being operations. My biggest challenge became growth. And that's when my priorities started to change. Imagine Alex owns a plumbing company. In the early stages, his biggest concern is keeping jobs organized and making sure technicians show up on time. HouseCall Pro is excellent at helping solve those challenges. But once those systems are running smoothly, Alex starts asking different questions. How do I get more repeat customers? How do I generate more reviews? How do I stay connected with customers after the job is complete? How do I increase customer lifetime value? Those questions eventually became more important than operational efficiency. Now here's where it gets interesting. I realized that some of the easiest revenue opportunities weren't coming from brand new leads. They were coming from customers who already knew and trusted the business. That shifted my focus toward customer engagement and retention. QuoteIQ stood out because of its emphasis on automated follow-ups, review requests, text communication, and customer reactivation campaigns. Instead of only helping manage jobs, it focused heavily on helping businesses create additional revenue opportunities from existing customer relationships. In a minute, I'll share the biggest mistake people make when switching CRMs. But first, here's something important. This is where most people fail. They switch software expecting instant results. No CRM automatically grows a business. Software is simply a tool. The real question is whether that tool helps solve your current bottleneck. If your biggest challenge is operational management, HouseCall Pro may still be the better choice. If your biggest challenge is customer retention and maximizing repeat business, a platform with stronger engagement-focused tools may provide more value. The biggest lesson I learned from switching was simple. The best CRM changes as your business changes. HouseCall Pro helped me solve operational problems. QuoteIQ aligned more closely with my focus on customer retention and long-term revenue growth. Neither platform was universally better. They simply addressed different priorities. Before switching CRMs, identify your biggest business challenge first. That one step can save you months of frustration and thousands of dollars. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more home service business software insights, and let me know in the comments whether you're currently using HouseCall Pro, QuoteIQ, or considering making a switch.